Which organs collaborate for bladder fluid equilibrium? Imagine your bladder as a busy water tank that needs just the right amount of fluid to work properly. Several organs work together behind the scenes to keep this balance steady and healthy. The main players are the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra, along with the body's hormonal and nervous systems. The kidneys are like the body's water managers. They filter blood to remove waste and excess substances, adjusting water and electrolytes through tiny structures called nephrons. These adjustments determine how much water is reabsorbed back into the body or excreted as urine. When the kidneys reabsorb more water, the urine becomes concentrated, and when they excrete more, the urine is more diluted. Hormones such as antidiuretic hormone, produced by the brain and released by the pituitary gland, tell the kidneys how much water to conserve or eliminate. Aldosterone, another hormone from the adrenal glands, helps regulate sodium and potassium levels, indirectly influencing water retention. Once the kidneys process the blood, urine travels down the ureters, which are muscular tubes that transport it to the bladder. The ureters do not control fluid composition, but ensure a steady flow of urine into the bladder for storage. The bladder itself is a flexible, muscular reservoir that holds urine until it's time to go. Its walls stretch as the bladder fills, and nerves in the bladder will send signals to the brain when it reaches a certain level of fullness. This signaling helps you decide when to urinate. The urethra is the passage through which urine exits the body. While it controls the releases of urine, it does not influence the fluid's composition or volume. Regulation of bladder fluid balance is also guided by the nervous system. It constantly monitors bladder filling and coordinates muscle contractions and sphincter relaxations to allow for controlled urination. The nervous system and hormones work together to ensure that urine volume and concentration stay within healthy ranges. In essence, the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra form a coordinated team that produces, transports, stores, and eliminates urine. Meanwhile, hormonal signals from the endocrine system and nerve feedback loops fine-tune this process, maintaining overall fluid balance. This collaboration is vital for bladder health and can be affected in conditions like bladder infections or bladder cancer, where normal urinary function and fluid regulation may be disrupted. For personalized advice or concerns about bladder health, always consult a healthcare professional.